limits. The new S-Cross redefines luxury.
Welcome back to Car Street, where we break down the latest cars in simple and honest detail. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Suzuki S-Cross Hybrid, a compact crossover that blends modern design, smart efficiency, and everyday practicality into one appealing package. Starting with the outside, the 2026 S-Cross Hybrid looks more confident and refined than ever. The front features a bold grille with sharp LED headlights that give it a strong road presence. The sculpted hood and smooth character lines along the sides make it look dynamic even when standing still. Suzuki has added stylish alloy wheels and subtle chrome accents that enhance its premium feel without going over the top. At the rear, the sleek LED taillights and sporty bumper design complete the look, making this car feel modern, urban-friendly, and adventurous at the same time. Under the hood, the hybrid system is designed to deliver a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. The petrol engine works smoothly with the electric motor to provide quick acceleration for city driving and stable performance on highways. The transition between electric and petrol power feels seamless, making the drive calm and refined. Fuel economy is one of its strongest points, making it an excellent choice for daily commuters and long-distance travelers. The suspension handles bumps well, offering a comfortable ride, while the steering feels light yet responsive, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that focuses on comfort, technology, and practicality. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, offering good comfort for long journeys. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports smartphone connectivity. Digital driver displays provide clear information, while soft touch materials on key surfaces give the interior a more premium vibe. There's plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it suitable for families. The boot space is generous enough for groceries, luggage, or weekend gear. When it comes to safety, the 2026 S-Cross Hybrid comes loaded with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, giving drivers added confidence on every drive. Now let's talk about price. The 2026 Suzuki S-Cross Hybrid is expected to start at around $26,000, depending on the market and trim level. Considering its hybrid technology, modern features, and overall comfort, it offers strong value for money in the compact SUV segment. If you're looking for a stylish, efficient, and practical crossover with modern tech, the S-Cross Hybrid is definitely worth checking out. Stay tuned to Car Street for more detailed reviews like this one.